The Ringke Fusion X. Lots of you guys like it. I do as well. I like the overall design and has all the features that I'm looking for in a case when it comes to, general usage. Honestly, it's a great case if you're decent with your iPhone, and by decent, I mean you don't drop it a whole ton. Don't be fooled by Ringke's marketing showing you a picture of the iPhone going through ground. That's not going to happen. The only thing I don't like about this product actually leans more towards personal preference, as there is just way too much stuff going on with this case. At MobileReviewsEh, Monty and I, he just got a bath last night, so he's very, very fluffy. He and I base all our reviews on actual usage, and for this video, we decided to keep doing that. The Ringke Fusion sits in the top third of all my ranked cases. When it comes to clear cases, it sits at about number 10 out of 35, which isn't bad. The overall build quality of this case is great. The TPU and PC parts fuse nicely together. The case won't slide around on the back or the front and weighs only 29 grams, which is pretty light for an iPhone case, but for 4 grams more, you can go with a catalyst impact protection, which is definitely gonna be tougher. That's right, there's a re-review happening. The Ringke Fusion X has a frosted polycarbonate back, so it still lets the color of your iPhone shine through, but it does hide the face grease and fingerprinting. The key word there is hide. It's still there, you just can't see it. Other than the frosted look, there's nothing else special about it because this thing will scratch at around 3. So keys and coins are going to do a number to it over time. The overall texture of this product is top notch. Part of that has to do with all the stuff that's going on with the case. It kind of reminds me a little bit about the Urban Armor Gear Plasma with all its doohickeys and angles. Not going to just gloss over the doohickeys and angles, but somebody at Ringke spent a lot of time designing this product, so let's break it down. There are oversized corners which help with the protection and handling of the case. These corners prop the screen off a flat surface as well as the back. They go both ways. The edges along the screen are tapered, so gesturing on your iPhone isn't going to be an issue, and there's an extreme taper along the edge of the case. Before we continue on, if you're planning on getting this product, get it through my Amazon links, and if you want to show some support, we'll get any product through my Amazon links. It doesn't have to be the one that I link. You can go to Amazon, search toilet paper, buy the toilet paper, and I get some help from Amazon. And from you guys. It doesn't cost you any more. You're just helping out your friendly neighborhood YouTuber. Now most cases have 2 angles along that edge. It's like duh and then duh, but this one has like a duh duh duh. So there's a very thin piece along the edge of the case that your hand just really gravitates towards. This makes one-handed usage with this product pretty awesome, but it doesn't make picking it up off a flat surface much better compared to something like this is the Griffin Survivor Strong I just reviewed, and it has a similar aggressive tapered edge, but it's along the middle, and so picking this case up is going to be way easier than picking the Ringke Fusion up when you have an iPhone in. Now when it comes to accessing my iPhone, I generally had no issues. The sticky tacky sound from the Ringke Fusion clear case isn't there, but the gap still is. And I've actually been paying a lot of attention to the gaps on cases. It doesn't happen on the Catalyst Impact. It does happen with Griffin Strong, and it doesn't happen with the Monty and I, which is, yeah, I'll revisit that one as well. Not a big deal, but it's just something I've noticed, and so, well, I'm a case reviewer, so I gotta blurt these things out. The Ringke Fusion X includes a lanyard attachment. Only problem is that you have to bring your own lanyard. And I honestly don't know if the average person has like a spare lanyard kicking around. I've got hundreds, but do you have any kicking around? And when it comes to protection, the case is rated to mil standard 810G, and Re-Earth proves this by showing us a picture of the case in an iPhone smashing through the ground. Now in reality, I think this is a 4 to 6 foot drop height case. On the corners, I wouldn't even say it's a 6 feet face first drop. 4 feet might even be a stretch, and I say this because there is a lot of flex to this case. There is a reason why it weighs 4 grams lighter than this one. This one, the Catalyst has a bit more, it doesn't flex as well, and we'll show you in this close-up video, the corners don't pop off as easily, whereas on the Ringke Fusion, it just... But that's only really gonna matter if you drop your phone purposely at this angle. How's it gonna do from day-to-day normal drops? So that's all I got for this review. Question, comments, leave them down there. This is part of the isolation video series. We are coming up on, I think this is video 58. So we're coming up on 60. So there is going to be a lull between 60 and 61 because I just need to take a mild break and just to get the content calendar going. We had a small hiccup a few weeks back and we still haven't recovered from it. We're close, but these videos are coming out being created and filmed almost on a daily basis, and that's stressful. First time watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. Producing content a lot lately. And that's kind of all I got. This tuft on your head, Monty, is incredibly cute. Oh. So that's all I got for this video. Questions, comments, leave them down there. Let me know if I am... Nope, not going to say that.